All right, good evening, everybody. James here, and this is my nightly recap for the Small Account Challenge Day 7. Slow and steady wins the race, right? And that's what we are doing. As you're aware, yesterday we had open Microsoft and Ecolab, and by the end of today we have only Microsoft open. I ended up closing out Ecolab for a loss. That was the last of the really big losers, and also unfortunately ones that took the account value down pretty significantly. My fault, didn't follow stop, took a larger stock, and it just didn't move. Now got out early this morning, roughly looks like I got out about 8 o'clock Pacific time. So I got out, let's see, 8 o'clock Pacific time, right around here. Okay, it had broke this trend line, which was pretty much my stop out if it was going to close here. So we were trading pretty much at the low of the day. You can see down here it broke, it even fired short. All three of those, you know, it was time to close the position. Even though I had some time left on it, it wasn't worth I think 9 days left in the trade, being down as much as we were. So I closed it out, took us $20, so recovered $20 for max loss, so no big deal. And secondly, to touch bases, Microsoft, we're still in on. I still like this play. While we are down, we are only down $85. I know that sounds like a lot, but it's not really too much, and we have time. I believe we have 9 more days. Yeah, September 20th. So Microsoft, I still like the chart. So again, still the squeeze, the trend, everything. We got the green day today. Futures look great. They're already, you know, S&P's already up almost 12 points right now. So far so good. I could see Microsoft firing and going long, and this one I feel could actually turn into a winner still. So that's why I'm holding on to it. Should it break this trend, you can see I have my little horizontal line here. That's my stop out, and I'll close out. But until then, I'm going to ride this one out. We're going to see if we can't maybe even just break even on the trade. Okay. And lastly, I placed one trade today. I had only about $130 in buying power, I think, somewhere around there. And I took Citibank for a quick 10% gain. Citibank at, let me see what time this was, 7:11. So let me bring that up. Citibank 7:11. I believe I played, shoot, I can't remember the time frame offhand. It was either the 10-minute or the 39-minute chart. Let me see. Let me pull that one up really quick and double check. I think it was a 39-minute chart because it was in a squeeze when I looked at it. Yeah, 10-minute chart. No. Okay, we played the 10-minute chart. Sorry, I had to think about this one for a second. 7:11. So I was scanning and I found that Citibank had been in a 10-minute squeeze for quite a while. And at the time, it actually had, I think, like 3 or 4 squeezes. So it was a good underlying to go ahead and take a trade on, because it wasn't just one. You know, as you can see, some of these have quite a few. It looked like DD here, right? There was a lot of intraday squeezes going on. So I decided that I looked at it, found the right time chart that I was going to play off of, and took the trade. And we took it about 7:11, so it was right around here. I want to say is where we entered, and I was looking for 10%, which actually filled almost at the 100% retracement. And you can see momentum started coming up, and actually did really well, followed the trend perfectly. So we got in around here, and we rode it up, and I got out for 10% gain. So small profits, right? In at 114, out at 125. But it's working, right? That's 2 days in a row now doing the intraday trading, playing the squeezes, not swinging overnight. So we're doing good. We have about 160 to work with tomorrow. And slowly but surely we are going to raise this account back up. So that's the end. That's what we did. And if you guys like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks, and have a great night.